we are excited to introduce the model year 2022 all-new Tucson to the U.S. market.
This new Tucson is on point.
It has a style, all its own.
We began with our unique design philosophy, spacious, sportiness. We wanted the Tucson to be a design icon. The lights alone identify the car and are completely invisible when turned off.
Along with being a pro surfer, I'm what Hyundai calls a creative connector, and I'm always on the go. When I use the digital key, it knows who I am and remembers my preferences.
Inside the Tucson, space, technology, and information organically intersect.
Don't you love this screen? It's huge.
We increased the new Tucson's cargo volume nearly 25%.
I can get 2 more boards in there.
We gave Tucson's more standard and available active safety features than any other SUV in its class.
Did I mention that this car can see stuff that you can't? It keeps everybody on the road safe.
We made the Tucson bigger, stretched the wheelbase, and lengthened the body. We also widened the cabin and made it taller.
It can handle everything I do and take me anywhere I want to go.
Customers can select from 3 different SmartStream engines. There's a gas, a hybrid, and a plug-in hybrid. And we have an N-line version coming later next year.
The all-new Tucson. It is a pioneer, not just for us, but for the segment.
I'm pleased to say that the all-new Tucson will be proudly made in the USA. We cannot wait to bring our newest products to market and continue to make things better for our customers.
So I'm pretty sure I know what my next Hyundai will be. This bad boy right here.